Yo, what's good? Today I'm going to be trying to do a hair tutorial with these Flexie rods. I believe that's what they are called. I ain't never did these before. I ain't never really did my own hair before besides put it up in a bun. But I'm bored, so I'm just going to see what it do. It's my first time ever doing this. And I'm just going to be using this gel. Echo style gel. That's all I'm going to be using. So let's get right into it. Okay, so it's been about 8 hours, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these out, see how they come out. Result, I mean, this is a real fail. Like, I didn't know what I was doing, but I guess it is what it is. Not to rock it like this. Well, I ain't like I'm going nowhere, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's the product, but I hope y'all like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up. I'm out. I try to fix my hair up a little bit, but you know what I'm saying, it didn't do much. I'm gonna get better at this though as I go. Like I said, this was my first time doing this hairstyle. This was my first time, so I mean, it is what it is.